It will touch both the angle of one. आप सुनिए, सुन लीजिए, लिखने का जरूरत नहीं, आपको ये याद रखना है. So first हो गया size and shape of the tongue. Then comes color of the tongue.
Color of the tongue. Yes.
Yeah. Now tongue has got different areas. Different areas. So when we see the color of the tongue, we see the areas. What are the areas? First is start from here, tip of the tongue. Then the body of the tongue.
Yes, ma'am.
Then where it is connected
Root
with
of-
the this thing, root, it is root of the tongue.
Yes, ma'am.
And then two borders.
Borders. Yes, ma'am.
Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
So these things we observe. There we observe the color, whether they are, then first we observe the color of the whole tongue.
Yes, ma'am.
Then any special color is there. Any special means the tip is more red, the border there are black patches. These things we should observe. Then when we are observing the tongue proper, this is the tongue proper. The body of the tongue, the upper surface, as tongue is formed of muscles,
Muscles.
and the upper surface there are all papillae. All the papillae are there, and the papillae, you know, it looks like a little bit coarse, not very smooth, not smooth. When it becomes smooth, that means the papillae are destroyed.
Destroyed.
Maybe how it can be destroyed? Maybe excess heat.
चाय पी लेते हैं बहुत गर्म.
Maybe excess heat. That means from outside. You all know the external pathogenic factor, internal pathogenic factor.
Yes,
you know.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
External pathogenic factor means from outside is affected by heat or like that. Internal pathogenic factor means loss of in, so there is more heat from internal side. So the tongue thing is
smooth.
Smooth. The papillae are little bit destroyed.
Destroyed. Properly destroyed.
So these things we should see. Then the root. Now papillae is overall there are filiform papillae, and there are at the root there are also fungiform papillae, and at the root there are coarse big papillae.
Big papillae. Yes.
These are and at the root area is kidney. Tip is
Heart.
heart
and
then
lungs.
Lungs behind. Then spleen and stomach behind. Absolutely behind is kidney.
Kidney.
And both sides are
Liver and gallbladder.
So these are the things which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 करके. First shape and size. But everyone has some. Madam, there is coating. Madam, then we will see the coating. So first we are not mentioning coating. Now coating means slight coating maybe, and it is negligible or thin coating if we can see the tongue proper through it. But if it's so coarse coating, thick coating that we can't see the tongue proper, then it is thick coating. Then the thick coating may be coarse. If there is excess heat,
Yes, ma'am.
it is coarse like that, and also maybe yellowish. And if it is cold is there, then it is thick white. If damp is there, then it becomes sticky.
Sticky.
So these
cracks?
are the things.
If cracks is there,
Cracks are there. That means
Heat.
Why heat?
heat excess.
Heat excess. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
That heat may be due to external
Or
or maybe
internal.
internal lack of heat. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Then you please जल्दी देख लीजिए पंखा बिना
Ma'am, horizontal and vertical crack.
Horizontal, vertical crack is there. Horizontal crack usually very less.
Ma'am, like
Small
this.
crack.
Ma'am, minute. That is not continuous.
These are minute.
That is not continuously
And
horizontal.
your tongue shows that you have heat inside. Maybe damp food.
And cracks on the sides.
Why? Yes,
White.
that is less, but that.
So, ma'am, in between, if a line is there, a crack is there, what
That
it
is
shows?
usually normal. That is usually normal.
Ma'am, see.
It is normal.
Amit bhai also did crack. नहीं हमें भी is light crack.
Yeah, your tongue proper is reddish.
Yes. Tongue proper
Your
is reddish.
your tongue proper is also
Ma'am, white,
pink,
yellow.
pink.
This is pink. Main color of the tongue.
Coating.
Coating.
You are saying coating.
Color
But the tongue proper is pinkish.
Yes.
Your
Pure.
it's normal, but the
Papilla
tip
is
is reddish.
Papilla elevated.
And
Black patch. Black dot.
Papilla
little black patch.
Sides also.
That is not very.
Here actually I'm having some birthmark. A lateral side.
And his tongue is short.
Short. A little.
Short.
The coating is there. Here, you see, it is pale pink.
Pale.
The size, you are not telling
Size
like
is
that.
big,
Size
large.
is normal, ma'am.
Large.
It's touching both the
No,
sides.
not like, no, not touching. Not
not
touching. It
touching,
is
it's
normal.
normal.
But one thing I forgot to tell you. Here you can see on the lateral side the tooth print.
Marks are there.
Tooth prints are
That
there.
means ma'am,
That means maybe a little bit weakness. That color is pale pink. Pale pink. It is not pink like show. That,
His is
see
pink.
the difference. And a little bit cracked because muscles are two. On this side, lateral, left, right, muscles are there. So there may be and a slight coating.
अंदर लेके फिर
And you
निकालो.
can see the tongue proper through it.
Yes.
So coating is negligible.
राम टंग अंदर यार चलो यादव निकालो
Now you see.
large नहीं है.
Is slightly more pink than his, and their tooth marks are there. Nikalo. A little bit larger than him. Size is a little bit larger than him. Shape is normal, almost conical, not very much conical. And slight coating is there. And coats this papilla.
पूरा बाहर निकालो पूरा बाहर निकालो मैम मैम पूरा बाहर निकालना है ना कि थोड़ा सा ही बाहर निकालना है क्योंकि सिप चेंज होगा ना
कैपिलरी वाला क्या बोले
आप तो किसी का नहीं कर रहे हैं आप तो एग्जामिनेशन के लिए कर रहे
ऐसे किया एक पूरा
हैं।
निकालना
देखने का है तो पूरा देखेंगे
Ma'am, इनकी papillaries हल्की red है. That is okay. Which one is it?
ना वो थोड़ा सा नॉट नेग्लिजिबल
लेकिन आपका तो है
के ऊपर पेपिल होता है ना टेस्ट बड्स
ये रेड है
ना देखिए आपका कलर क्या बोलेंगे अच्छा पहले कलर छोड़िए साइज लार्ज कैचिंग बोथ द एंगल्स and you see the
tooth mark
afterwards first we have seen the size shape is conical okay then the tongue proper is it is pale pink a little bit more pink on the borders near the tip tip
more teeth markings.
lung and heart area a little bit reddish and teeth marks are there and coating is there here you can see a little bit sticky coating but papillae are there somewhere it is a bit glossy some parts
cracks is also there
cracks is like
we cannot see the tongue proper so it's sticky coating
now here we can see little bit here it is sticky spleen stomach area is little
So which one is glossy?
this part here
gloss
here this here
And the center
on the
part is
side on the
sticky.
side center spleen stomach area
what about moisture
Ma'am,
moisture is there.
ma'am, I can say that heat because he just said and I drank a hot tea day after yesterday.
maybe
अच्छा अभी
So I was feeling that thing.